Hello everyone, and this video is for the Boker Plus Heinnie Haynes Special Edition Tech-tool 1 pocket EDC knife. Heinnie Haynes and Boker have come together to make this knife. It's got red scales, the Heinnie branding on the blade. It's made of 12C27 stainless. It's got a 6.9cm blade. It's got a belt clip. It's got glass breaker. It's got G10 scales in red, and on the blade we've got Boker on one side and the Heinnie logo on the other. It's a nice little knife, comes very sharp out of the box. I've got the number 1136 on mine. It's a satin blade, drop point, hollow grind. Very nice little knife for the money. This is less than £20 on the Heinnie website. I'll put a link under the description. So yeah, this is going to be my new go-to EDC carry. It's got a fairly good, although it's not locking, it clips in place quite nice. It's not going to fold back on itself easily. So for say a low £20 knife, a limited edition as well, it's a nice little knife to add to your collection. So there you go. That is the Heinnie Boker EDC Tech-tool 1 collaboration knife. Thank you.